Another middle blocker, number 7, Yel Katigbak.
And up very high here and create a name of here for EAC.
Much needed point here to finally start the fire.
To formally have a good pass dito sa mga attackers natin.
Just a few months ago, right after the kill.
Oh, she's in.
Great timing in terms of blockings para sa Adamson University. Rodelas trying to be safe in touching the net, pero magiging 4 touches na yon.
So for sure, she will be the #1 option for attacks dito.
Katigbak to Katigbak in the last sequence. Kaya ganun na lang yung pag-celebrate ng Adamson University with that point.
Captain and Rookie of the Year for her own league.
Diba? So talagang kahit ipasok sila,
No pressure
yes. And but still, oh wow, that's a smart move galing kay Katigbak.
Yeah, you actually see her peeping where there was no one na nakabantay, especially because they were trying to cover a spike.
But that was really left open. Adamson tries to score. No goal. And Katigbak just really taking control of that ball, and that last sequence, walang ka-effort, and an excellent read by this girl of Coach JP Yude. Timeout muli. Pakinggan natin.
This will be a free ball. Lyceum again. Denied by the blockers. From the 5, denied again. And Katigbak scoring a point here for Adamson.
That was a good block coming from Katigbak. And yan, sinasabi natin kanina, we were asking kung ano yung reason bakit Tudao is in the opposite side.
This is not yet over. Adamson really need to have a killer instinct here. Denied by the blockers.
Second consecutive block by Katigbak. And you know, communication. But there's some teams, you know, na sobrang tagal nila na magkasama, na kahit isang kindat lang alam na yung next move.
Yeah. I think more than physical strength, valuable IQ, gelling with your teammates. If she can make another one. Underhand set. Denied by the blockers.
I think that's the third block for Katigbak here.
Oh yeah. But I just kind of think about the, you know, the exhaustion ng LPU dito, because at the same time they're actually still playing with their mother league, which is NCAA, for battle for third.
That's a different kind. But then that was a good attack on Katigbak, you know, with the tempo play. Hindi niya naman pinalo.
Oh yeah.
But then mabilis yung bola. I've noticed that Adamson has a really good serve.
Well, if we go back to our first set, deadlock tayo up until 12 points, but halfway through dito, mabante ng Adamson. Let's see if they can replicate that performance here in the second set.
Service ace on the side of Adamson.
This time, LPU, there is a good reception, but good timing there coming from Katigbak. Here in this match, Pineda, and of course, for Lyceum.
It's so hard to go up against your former team, but it seems like Sam Cantada is unbothered in here. Pero gandang sagot. Activation from the middle. That's Bell Katigbak coming from a zero tempo attack. And also, I love the connection on that middle quick. So that was Isabel Katigbak.